Good morning, viewers. Very good morning. Today, this is the festive season, so I would like to tell about Santa Claus. Since this is Christmas season, generally worldwide, all the people they celebrate Christmas as birthday of Jesus. But all the people will be waiting for Santa Claus to get the gifts. So worldwide, all the children and people waiting for Santa Claus to get the gifts from him. So what is the meaning of Santa Claus? Santa Claus means a person who distributes chocolates, presents and gifts to the people on Christmas Day. So relating that, I would like to narrate one small story about Santa Claus. So once there was a boy, his name was Philip, but pet name was Pip. All the people used to call him as Pip. And Pip was an orphan boy. He doesn't have any relatives. So one of the relative has made him join in the missionaries charity home. So Pip stays in the orphan home and he studies well and he was a good student. So what happened in the Christmas season? One day, one Sunday, they went to the church. So their teacher was narrating stories and teacher narrates morals and scriptures on Sunday classes. So after classes, teacher has asked all the children how you are going to celebrate Christmas. So all the children were telling their parents will bring gifts and new dresses, this and that. But Pip was quiet. Then teacher has called him and asked Pip, why you are so silent? Then he said he was not having parents. So he was not going to get any gifts like that he said. So he kept quiet. Then teacher said, you need not worry. If you don't have parents, God will help you. God will send you gifts and dresses, everything. Don't worry like that, she said, and she pampered him and she has invited him for Christmas lunch to her house. So Pip on the way he was going to orphanage hostel, he thought God doesn't know my address. How he can send gifts and dresses? He thought, and he has purchased one postcard from the shop and he went home and he has written a letter to God. What he has written, you know? I am Pip. I was not having any parents and all. My teacher told that who was not having parents, God will send the gifts. So if you please think of me and send some dress and gifts, he said. He has written on the card and he has given his address. So and so, orphanage, Christian home and Pip, like that he has written his from address and he has written God's address. God's address he doesn't know. Only he knows God in heaven, like that he has filled the address and posted it. So all the letters reached to the post office and postman was sorting out all the letters and last he has seen a letter who has written to God. Then he has surprised to see, so far he never used to get God address letters. So he has gone through the letter. He has seen that Pip has written for dresses and gift. Then postman felt very sad and he has decided to get beautiful dress and gifts for Pip. Immediately he went to the shop. He has done shopping and he has purchased new dress and purchased some gifts, purchased some chocolates and came home. Then he wanted to find out the address. Then he has inquired where was that hostel and he found that particular day those organizers, missionaries, they want to celebrate semi-Christmas in that hostel. So generally Christian institutions, schools and all, they celebrate before Christmas semi-Christmas. In that semi-Christmas day, they make Christmas tree and one of the student would be becoming Santa Claus, like he will be disguising like Santa Claus. He would be distributing chocolates, presents and all in that party. So like that generally people will celebrate. So like that for this semi-Christmas, this postman also wanted to go to that orphanage and spend some time with the children. So he has disguised himself as a Santa Claus. He made himself dressed like Santa Claus. He has taken Pip's dress, Pip's gifts and chocolates and went to that place. And he asked one courier has got, who was Pip. He got courier from God, he said. Then Pip came and Pip has received a parcel from this Santa Claus and he has opened and seen means there was beautiful dress and gifts. Then Santa Claus felt very happy to see all those children and he started singing jingle bell like. He was singing, dancing and spending some time with the children. While going, he has given one message to all the children. You need not worry. You all of you get help from God. You be happy and study nicely. But don't forget one thing. What is that? Giving, loving, helping hands are better than praying hands. What is that? Giving, loving and helping. Those hands are better than praying God. So like that he has given message and went off. So next Christmas day came. They all went to the church. Pip dressed himself in a nice fashion. He went to the church and he went to the teacher and he has told, Madam, as you said, he got dress and gift from God. Really, God is very nice. Like that he said. Then after prayer, priest has also given the same message. Festivals means, Christmas means giving, loving and helping. So that is more important than praying God, he said. So this message was touched his mind. Pip was thinking about that and contemplating about that. Then teacher, after prayer, he took Pip to her house and given nice lunch. Pip had nice lunch and teacher has given one more dress and packet of sweets. He took and went to the hostel. Then he has shared with all his friends. They enjoyed nicely. That night, organizers also conducted a Christmas party. So after dinner, they have distributed blankets and dresses and some gifts to all the orphan children. They all felt very happy and spent Christmas Day happily and nice. So like that things are going on. Then Pip has decided if he becomes big, he wanted to help the people. He has studied well, he became a doctor and he was serving the people, treating the people, loving the people and helping the people as he has got help from God. Like that he wanted to help the people. So he has decided he became doctor and he helped the people, he served the people, he loved the people, he treated the people nicely and made a good name and fame. He was well known in the city and Dr. Pip was very gentleman, very honest man, very good man, very kind man, very helpful for all the people who goes to his hospital. Like that, he became very famous and helping doctor in the city. So how he became like that? Because of his commitment, what he has heard in his childhood, that loving, giving, treating and helping hands are better than praying hands. That kept in his mind. He has done it by his own actions. So, as a Christian, as a religious people, anyone, we should have some at least to do something for others, either helping or giving or serving or treating, whatever position you may be, whatever work you must be doing, but we should do certain good things for the people that all the religions say. Not only Pip is telling, not only Santa Claus is telling, all the religions teach us the same principles. So, what is the moral of this story is loving, giving, serving, treating and helping hands are better than praying hands. That is, if you are helping others means that you are glorifying your God, any God. So, please keep it in mind and helping, loving and serving and giving hands are better than praying hands. So the real happiness we get by helping, by giving, by serving the people. So keep it in mind and take up some decision in this festive season and try to help others and make yourself happy. So all my viewers, I am telling, listen to my video, like it and subscribe it. Then lastly, I want to wish all the viewers, all the friends and all the relatives, I wish you a happy Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. Have a festive day.